Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna do a night out makeup look, but I have to be ready in about 40 minutes. Right now it's 5:02, and yeah, I'm gonna try to get ready super fast. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is, okay, so I'm going to put on my foundation first, and I'm gonna use this MAC NC30. So I'm gonna put some here. So now I'm going to contour my face, and I'm gonna use this NARS concealer, and I'm gonna use this NARS concealer in Hazelnut. So now with this LA Girl blending brush, I'm going to just blend my contour. Okay, and for highlight, I'm gonna use this CoverGirl Outlast concealer, and this one it's in 830. Okay, so now I'm going to use my setting powder, and I'm gonna use this Mary Kay setting powder, and this I'm gonna put it on the sponge. Okay, and then now I'm gonna start on my eyeshadow. So I wanted to do something dark, but I know I'm not gonna have time. So I'm going to use the palette that I'm gonna use today. It's gonna be this Kat Von D Shade and Light, and I'm gonna use this color right here. Just have to work really fast. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this brown right here, and I'm just gonna put it here. So I'm gonna take another clean brush. I'm gonna use this one, and I'm just gonna blend this. I'm gonna use like this angle brush, and I'm gonna go with the black. And I mean they do have names, so they're in the back. It's called Shacks. Alright, so that one I'm just gonna put it here like an eyeliner. Alright, so with another like blending brush, flat blending brush, I'm gonna just blend the black eyeshadow. Okay, so back with the blending brush, I'm gonna take this dark brown. And that one I'm also gonna put it here. So that dark brown, I just want to keep it out here. I don't want to put too much because it's falling out on my cheek. And then back with the black one and this angled brush, I'm gonna redo the eyeliner. Alright, so I'm gonna put this glitter, and I'm gonna take my hard candy glitter like paste or glitter glue. That one I'm gonna put some on my hand. And with this brush I'm going to get some, and I'm gonna put some on my eyelid. I'm just gonna dab it. And then with another brush, I'm gonna take the glitter. Take it with this concealer brush. I'm going to wet it first so I can be able to pick up the glitter. Alright, so I'm just gonna let that dry. And then I'm gonna put some mascara to put my eyelashes on. So right now I'm gonna use this CoverGirl Outlast mascara. But it's already $5.39, so I didn't make it. And I haven't done my hair or anything. So I'm gonna try to just use this palette, and for my eyebrows I'm going to get a little bit of, so okay, I'm gonna tell you guys what I do every time I do my eyebrows. Okay, so I learned this trick from Sabrina, whose birthday's today, and she actually also has a YouTube channel, so you guys could check her out. She's gonna start doing more videos. So her trick to do eyebrows, I'm gonna use this lotion, and this is just, you can use any type of lotion, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna use this Aveeno moisturizing lotion, and I'm gonna take my eyebrow or my brow pencil, and I'm gonna take this, the darkest brown shade, and I'm gonna take that with my pencil. It might be too light for me, but I'm gonna check what color it is. So you can use any eyeshadow of your choice. You can do pink, you can do any type of eyeshadow. So what she does is she gets the eyeshadow on the pencil, and then you put lotion on top of the eyeshadow. And then I just make sure it's like this. And then just draw your eyebrows just as normal. So this is a trick, like if you don't have any eyebrow cream or anything like that, or if you are not like comfortable buying like those expensive creams for the eyebrows, try this trick, and if you like it, you can keep using it like me, or you can just buy, you know, one of those creams or those eyebrows kit. So just draw your eyebrows. So since this is like a night out, I'm gonna try to draw my eyebrows a little bit thicker. So I'm gonna let that dry. So it's actually a very good color. So with this clean brush, I'm just gonna like remove the glitter on the bottom of my eyes. And remove the setting powder. I'm gonna contour my face with powder now. I'm gonna use my Park Ave Princess. I'm gonna do this one, the angel, or the princess cut. Okay, so I'm gonna take this brush, and then I'm just gonna make it a little bit deeper since it's a night out and it's gonna be like heavier makeup or darker makeup or more dramatic. So back with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna finish up the bottom side, and then I'm gonna take that brown shade that I used earlier, this one. Alright, so I used the Kylie Jenner lip kit in Hazel, just the lipstick, just the lip liner. And then now I'm gonna go with Commando. Okay, so before I put my eyelashes on, I don't know why on the camera it looks like it's not blended, but it is, like in real life it is blended. But with this brush, I'm gonna take this Tarte blush, and I'm just gonna put some on my cheeks. Okay, so it's already 6:05. I couldn't get ready in 40 minutes, and I think my boyfriend is already on his way. But I don't know what to wear yet. So I need to put my eyelashes on, but I don't know which ones. So I want to quickly show you guys my outfit, and then I'm just wearing like a brown crop top and just like a black skirt. And so hopefully you guys like this tutorial, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.